that was so dead. I, I'm still very awkward and shy to speak in public, even though now I have my own place and I feel like it's more quiet and the noise doesn't really fly. But because I kept on whispering over there, I'm still trying to get myself to actually speak and make noise and speak loud and without like feeling like someone is listening to what I'm saying. So yeah. But anyways, today I decided to do an intro because I'm going out and about. First time actually going to Muizenberg, but I've been in Cape Town, South Africa for such a long time. And yeah, my cousin is taking me there. Yesterday she was complaining. She was like, we're going to all these beautiful places and you're not even vlogging, you're not posting on your channel. What's going on? Cousin, you have to be active. This could actually be a career and da da da. So I woke up early, I got ready, I did a basic makeup. I'm not even wearing foundation. I just use my primer. That's it. I only use this on my face and then yeah, I also don't have foundation, that's why. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today and I'll take you guys with me. So keep on watching. I noticed that you guys couldn't see my hair properly on the intro, but just look how much growth I've acquired since the time I cut my hair. Like look at this. Let me come here so you don't see the background stuff. Look how my hair has grown. I'm looking in the mirror, by the way, to see if I'm on camera. Yes, oh look at this. Looks so beautiful. I like it. Okay guys, so you know how I feel right now? Right now I feel like it's either I'm going through I've lost a family member, or I'm going through a breakup of a friendship, not a breakup of a relationship. In a way, that's how I feel. Like I was just packing and I wanted to do like a thing where I'm like cleaning the house, organizing stuff, and when I put this thing, the whatever I put here in the bag, I just felt like what the hell is this situation? What's going on?
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion.
Ay, pausa aí, o vibe,
Tá frio, mas eu sinto o teu calor. Só no teu beijo é que eu sinto o sabor. Seu azul mais sangue não tem cor. Ainda vamos fazer amor até amanhecer. Compra uma lingerie azul pra me dar mais prazer. Tá tocando a tua mãe que eu já quero conhecer. Levaste minha mente, mulher, não mata a pensar. Seu azul cheio de estrela, mas só tu vais a brilhar. Dúvidas, aproveita quem te posso confiar. Levaste minha mente, mulher, não mata a pensar. Levaste minha mente, mulher, não mata a pensar.
baby, oh, give me something, yeah. Tell me what you waiting for, what you waiting for, baby, oh. Então não tentas a pegada, sentimentos que sabem nadar, yeah. Se não for felicidade, isso não.
Vou compensar, mas se tu quiseres, obrigada, tu podes bazar.
Sua filha da porcaria! As notícias, aprendo contigo, dona da razão é cista. Sempre do meu lado, lealdade dela é fixa. Festa começa, mas quando entramos, duas bebetas não há vergonha na cara. Intimidamos, sabem que é muito para ver. Tenho amiga dela, mas para sempre a minha mulher. Essas miúdas têm gol, quando entram tudo para elas só dão show. Apaixonados querem gol, já disseram que por minha dama já deixou. A nossa vibe é tudo tatuou. Em todas as festas minha bitch já confirmou. Sou de biquíni, here we go. Hoje na praia o verão já começou. Não estragas a minha vibe. Everything gon' be alright, estamos bem. Não duvida, mais diferentes, mas ela sabe que é minha família. Ei. Não estragas a minha vibe. Everything gon' be alright, estamos bem. Não duvida, mais diferentes, mas ela sabe que é minha família. Deixa-me dizer-te que eu sou a tua mulher. Te procuro nos meus sonhos, acordo e não te vejo. Sei que tu queres estar comigo, todos os dias eu te espero. Vem comigo nessa vaia, deixa o teu corpo balançar, yeah. Dime lo que quiero, voy a dar, yeah. Simbona e a vida catataia. Então diz que me amas, o dia me vem. Deixa dizer que te quero também. Esse teu jeito também que me desmonta. Então diz que me amas, o dia me vem. Deixa dizer que te quero também. Esse teu jeito também que me desmonta. Vem comigo nessa vaia, deixa o teu corpo balançar, yeah. Dime lo que quiero, voy a dar, yeah. Simona e a vida catataia.
Chamanha, boiadeia, só rebelde, baby, tu minha curva. Não precisa de com essa tua voz a sussurrar. Lembra minha cama, quero navegar só pelas tuas águas. As tuas mamães de Cabo Verde. Esse bar é tão crazy. As taças a pele negra. És tudo que me revela.
That's a touchable like alien-ness. The track is your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Like the best for your Jimmy in the city you say. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass can be. A place where you never find a dance floor empty. And pimps be on a mission for them greens. Lean, money making.
Hey guys, I'm gonna try to be like, I will try to vlog as much as I can, but we're here. Let me show Primausa. Primausa, say hi.
Hi everybody.
We arrived here with DJ Prima Elsa.
Hey!
Tava lit, né?
Yeah, it was lit.
It was lit. The drive was lit. So this is Muizenberg, for who doesn't know. Habis kamu ya?
Finally, somebody stopped. Over here. Oh, where are you going? Okay, come back now. It's gonna be very
The
wet.
weather. My hair is already messed up. It's quite windy. I think this is the only problem. This is the famous colorful like store room houses that people normally come to take pictures. I already took some pictures with my cousin. I will insert it here. But yeah, this is Muizenberg. I can't believe yesterday was so beautiful and shiny. Today this is the weather. Yeah. I can't open my eyes. I don't even know how I look. And the fam is over there. I don't know if you can see that. I give up. I give up. I give up. Quem será? E se não foste tu, quem será? Okay, I need a toilet, so alright guys, as you guys can see, my face looks oily, the afro is shrink, and my eyes, they look so dead, so tired. Yeah, I am back home. I couldn't vlog anymore. I'm actually filming this video through my WhatsApp because this phone never has space. Literally, I only have WhatsApp on my phone. I deleted everything, but it still doesn't have space. Memory is always full, so I couldn't vlog much because of that. There were like so many beautiful things I wanted to vlog, but even WhatsApp wasn't allowing me to film, so I just gave up, you know. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna try not to accumulate so many videos on my phone. I'm gonna try to film, edit, and take it out so I can always have space when I decide to make such long vlogs. Yeah, there are more stuff to come in the future, so don't be disappointed. The weather wasn't good as well, so we did, my cousin did say that we will go back when the weather is better, so I'll also prepare myself to have more space to vlog. Thank you so much, Prima Elsa, Primo Mike, and Aiden for giving me such an amazing day and for helping me out because it was a productive day. I went to fetch the stuff that I needed to go and fetch, I went to drop the stuff that I needed to go and drop, and I just feel like today was productive. Woke up early and went out, like it was just productive. I'm so happy with today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you again soon. Bye.
Breathless, like a summer breeze on a winter day, and all you do worship a dark blue eye.